There is this mistake farmers are making and have been making, and I know some farmers will make or will repeat the same mistake. There is this mistake that a farmer should avoid if you are starting dairy farming. One thing is, a farmer, most of the farmers start by buying or purchasing a cow or a goat. When they come, they build the shed. Then they start looking for feeds. Others will start with building the shed, buy the cow, then when the cow comes home, they remember that there is no feeds. You will always be disappointed if you start on that way. You will always be a failure when you start like that. To be successful, and I will repeat again and again, these big dairy farms don't start with cows. They always start with planting feeds. Then they construct the shed. Then they purchase the cow. By so doing, you will never be disappointed in dairy farming. Dear farmer, to avoid that disappointment in your farm or in your dairy farm, it is a simple way. Start by planting feeds. Plant Super Nepian grass. Plant Bracharia. Plant Super K vine. And others. Then, as the grass grows, construct the shed. Then when it is 3 months old, bring it on. Bring your cow. You will never be disappointed, and your work will always be easy for you. Hautakosa usingizi. Hii mambo sasa watakula nini leo? Hapana, hata hiyo wacha. Fuata maagizo. Stick to my advice. Na God will bless you, the work of your hand.